Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about Siam's Orosinclus. This is a very nice fish. I got it from online. I'll show you soon when they go out. It's a very good fish for the algae. All this rock was covered with algae, now it looks much better. All baby tears also was covered, and the whole plant was covered with big huge algae. Now it's almost gone. Just I have a few little bit on the wood, like you see it, and that's it. Everything is just gone. Here he is. One is here, and maybe a few will go out from here. Oh yeah. A very nice fish. I like it very much, and this fish have to stay in a school for fish and up, and the best is when they have a big aquarium, 40 gallons and more. And as you see it, I got a new fish also here, an angel's fish. In my previous video I had only one gold. He grew much bigger now. Here is the Siams, like you see it. I'm very happy with this fish. I have 5 of them and 6 angels. Those angels I bought it from a store in New Jersey. I was looking for them very long time because regular PetSmart don't have it. Those 2 blue are nipped off. It was cost me like only $4 each, but probably will grow back. We'll see it. I hope so. And all my plants I grew very fast, very big, nice. I'm very happy. So if you have any questions, please ask. I will give you an answer. Thank you. Bye.